To edit an existing query, launch the app and click on Airboxr on the home screen. This will load a list of all your saved queries. We call them Airboxr. Next to each hop, you can see an edit icon. Click on the edit icon next to a hop you want to edit. This will bring you to the query interface. You can select the table from your data source here. You can now select additional columns from your data source. Let us add frequency to this import query. We can also change the filters we had chosen previously. Let's change the number of filtered days to 45. You can also edit your summarizations. For now, let's leave it as it is, and hit the Save button. You can edit the name and description of your new query. Hit the Save button when you're done.